Hello, in this recording, I'm going to show you how to register on Linktank and post an event. And I'd like you to do this as an initial test as part of your application. And then as you are doing that, I will review and then have an ongoing job posted for you. So first, you want to create an account at linktank.com, Linktank, register, and I will create a link. So I'm going to just say Upwork. I'm just making up one. You have to use your own email address. Okay, just wait a few seconds. Then you'll get an email and you should confirm. So confirm, and then it activates my account. So then you want to add an event. Okay. There's this profile here. You can ignore that. You don't have to update this. So just close that. There's another thing that you have, this spreadsheet. And the spreadsheet is a list of organizations and their event pages. In some cases, the organization may have 2 links. And then there's the link to take you to this Linktank website. You don't necessarily need to worry about that. And then some notes on the organization. So what you should do for this test is just enter your name. So I'm going to pretend my name is Upwork user. Ideally, enter your first name or enter your first name and last name initial. So Upwork U. Okay. Once that's done, then you click on the event, and this is okay. So sometimes you might end up with this, but basically you have to find the events page, and if you don't know, you can ask me. So I can go to events calendar, and it's right here. And then I look at the instructions here. It says only events open to public, ignore the following types. So I have to do events open to public, and it says ignore exhibition, course, continuing education, blah, blah, blah. So you just have to kind of, this one's a little tricky. But you can start with like lecture, and you can go to conference, the things that are listed there. So when you've selected a row, then enter one event for that as part of your test. So if you were to look at this spreadsheet for the first time and you notice that there's somebody's filled out, so then put your name in the next one or the next one below that, so on and so forth. Okay, so you would obviously skip this first row. This one's really hard, so I'll make sure we skip that. But I'll go ahead and do one. So go back to the page that you just registered and click here and then click submit event. So I click the plus sign and then I put event. Then I add an event. So I'm going to select an event here. This is the event I'm going to select. Okay. And then I just start copy pasting the event details. So here's the title. The title. The event is on February 23rd from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. So February 23rd, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. And then I take the description, just copy and paste. That's it. Organization name. This is Columbia University. It should already be in the database. Columbia University. Oh, it's not. Okay. Oh, I'll take a step, and I know why it's not in the database. I'll figure that one out. For now, I'll just put Columbia University and leave that blank. Then there's a registration URL. Is there a registration link? Sometimes it'll say register, and there'll be an email or URL that's not there. Location, Columbia University. Location here, 26. Okay, I'll just do that. $29.60. Broadway. Okay, 2960 Broadway. Room 403. This is a harder one. Most of them will be a lot easier than this. Oops. 403. Okay. And if there's a speaker name, there's a few, so if you can put all of them. Speaker name, title, assistant professor, organization affiliation, University of California, Berkeley. You can ignore all that, and then you click Publish by Event. We have to put in a profile image. So normally you'd be able to upload an image, but let's just see. Normally it would automatically upload the image because it's selected Columbia, but I'm going to go ahead and do this. This is Columbia. For events, you should only select future events. So this is in the future, but select events starting on Monday, February 26th. And if you look at this spreadsheet, so now that we've added the event, so it's here, and it's pending approval. Okay. So then we go to the spreadsheet, and we just put 1. So for this, between this date range, February 25th through April 30th, only 1 event has been entered. So for next one, if you got this spreadsheet, then just put your name here, click this link, add 1 event, message me if there's any confusion about the event, and then I'll review and then I'll hire you. So basically the job is that you have to keep posting events, and I'll show you an example. I have other contractors that work with me. I've been working for over several years, where you enter events. You can see that these sheets go pretty far out. Anyway, so message me if you have any questions, and good luck. Thank you for your interest.